Alright people, gather round. Did you know that heart disease is a real kicker, often caused by arteries so jammed up they make a traffic jam look like a walk in the park? We're talking years of bad habits catching up. But listen up, because today we're going on a culinary adventure to scrub those arteries squeaky clean. We're diving deep into the world of delicious foods that are like little superheroes for your heart. Think of it this way. Every bite is a chance to fight back against those pesky plaques that build up in your arteries from things like too much saturated fat, cholesterol, and all that naughty stuff. And believe me, when those arteries are happy, you're talking less risk of heart attacks, strokes, and a whole bunch of other things you don't want to mess with. And before we move on, hit that like button and comment down below if you take care about your nutrition. First up, we're calling in the big guns. Garlic. This humble little bulb has been a staple in kitchens around the world for centuries, and for good reason. This little bulb is a flavor powerhouse, adding a delicious kick to any dish. Whether you're making a simple pasta sauce or a complex stir-fry, garlic can elevate your cooking to new heights. But hold on, there's more to garlic than meets the eye. It's not just about the taste. Garlic is packed with health benefits that make it a true superfood. It's got this compound called allicin, a natural wonder that's been known to help lower blood pressure and prevent those artery-clogging plaques from forming in the first place. Allicin is released when garlic is chopped, crushed, or chewed, and it's responsible for many of garlic's health-promoting properties. Now, how do you unleash the power of garlic? The key is to break down the garlic as much as possible to release the maximum amount of allicin. Crush it, chop it, mince it. The more you bash it about, the more allicin it releases. You can use a garlic press, a knife, or even the flat side of a chef's knife to crush the cloves. Add it to your stir-fries, your pasta sauces, your marinades. The possibilities are endless. Garlic pairs well with so many different ingredients, from tomatoes and onions to meats and seafood. And hey, if you're worried about garlic breath, just remember, a little parsley goes a long way. Parsley contains chlorophyll, which can help neutralize the sulfur compounds in garlic that cause bad breath. Garlic has been shown to improve cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and even boost the immune system. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, incorporating more garlic into your diet is a simple and delicious way to improve your health. And don't forget, garlic can be enjoyed in many forms: raw, roasted, sautéed, or even pickled. Each method brings out different flavors and textures, so don't be afraid to experiment. You can even infuse olive oil with garlic for a flavorful and heart-healthy cooking oil. Just add a few crushed cloves to a bottle of olive oil and let it sit for a few days to infuse. And who can resist the allure of garlic bread? A simple mixture of butter, garlic, and parsley spread on a baguette and toasted to perfection is a crowd pleaser every time. Or try making a comforting garlic soup, perfect for chilly evenings. Garlic, onions, and broth come together to create a soothing and nutritious dish. So there you have it, the many wonders of garlic. From its bold flavor to its impressive health benefits, garlic truly is the vampire slayer of plaque. Add it to your meals, enjoy its benefits. Comment down below if you knew this. Next up, let's talk about oats. Now I know what you're thinking. Oats? That's breakfast for like granolas and stuff. But hold your horses. Oats are a secret weapon in the fight for cleaner arteries. They're packed with this magical thing called soluble fiber, which acts like a sponge in your digestive system, soaking up all that excess cholesterol before it can stick to your artery walls and cause trouble. Think of it like this. Oats are like little chimney sweeps for your arteries, keeping things nice and clear. And the best part is, they're so versatile. You can have them for breakfast, sure, but you can also sneak them into smoothies, use them in baking, or even make savory oat-based dishes. Get creative. Your heart will thank you for it. Avocados, my friends, avocados. These creamy, dreamy fruits are like a gift from the gods, packed with monounsaturated fats, the kind that actually help raise your good cholesterol, HDL, and lower the bad kind, LDL. It's like a balancing act for your blood, making sure everything flows smoothly. Plus, avocados are full of potassium, which is brilliant for keeping your blood pressure in check. Slice them up on toast, mash them into guacamole, or add them to salads. The possibilities are endless. Just remember, a little goes a long way, so enjoy them in moderation. Hit subscribe before we move on with the next one. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are your new best friends. They're swimming with omega-3 fatty acids, which are like little warriors against inflammation and plaque buildup in your arteries. Think of omega-3s as the cool, calming friends of your arteries, keeping things relaxed and happy. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish a week to reap the benefits. Grill it, bake it, pan-fry it, just make sure you don't overcook it and lose all those precious omega-3s. Last but not least, let's talk about berries. These little gems are bursting with antioxidants, which are like little ninjas that fight off those pesky free radicals that can damage your arteries. Think of antioxidants as the bodyguards of your cells, protecting them from harm. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, they're all fantastic choices. Eat them fresh, frozen, or add them to smoothies and yogurt for a delicious and nutritious treat. So there you have it, folks. 5 incredible foods that are like a breath of fresh air for your arteries. Remember, eating for a healthy heart doesn't have to be boring. It's all about enjoying delicious whole foods that nourish your body from the inside out. Get creative in the kitchen, experiment with different flavors, and most importantly, listen to your body. When you feel good, you look good, and you're setting yourself up for a longer, healthier, and happier life. So go on, get cooking, and let's give those arteries the love they deserve. Like and subscribe. See ya.